and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Robux balance in Roblox. So before I begin the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Roblox app and from there click on the top right on the Robux icon. Now you can see at the top it tells me that I have 0 Robux, so that means I have 0. If you were to scroll down you can buy them, it tells you how much it costs, etc. So this is one way to check it. Another way to check it is to go to Safari and just type in roblox.com and make sure to click on continue in browser. From there again tap on Robux at the top right and tap on my transactions. Basically here you'll get a much more detailed things about your incoming and outgoing Robux. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.